Hello everyone, my name is Lester Delgado. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you are going to form sentences in simple past tense. Do you know when do we use simple past tense? Alright, the simple past tense is used to describe complete activity that happened in the past. Okay, listen, okay, how we form the simple past tense. It used to describe complete activity that happened in the past tense. Okay, but in this video, I will teach you how you are going to form sentences in simple past tense using past and expression at the same time, okay? But in this moment, and I'm going to teach you how you are going to use some regular verb and some irregular verb for you can form a affirmative statement in simple past tense, all right? For example here, simple past tense. For example, the verb play. What is the past tense of the verb play? Is played because it's a regular verb. Remember, any regular verb, okay, you want to change to past tense, we have to add ed, okay, for we can form the simple past tense or regular verb. Another regular verb we have work. What is the past tense? The past tense is worked, okay, because it's a regular verb. For that, you know, I have added ed. Another regular verb is walk. What is the past tense of walk? Is what, okay, because a regular verb, okay. Remember, any regular verb, if we want to change to past tense, we have to add ed, okay. Another regular verb is about study. What happened with this verb? Any verb ending with y, we remove letter y and we change by letter I and we add ed, okay. This is a rule, okay, we have to do when we find a regular verb ending with letter y, we remove and we change by letter I and we add ed, okay, because it's a regular verb. Study, okay. One more example, you know, about regular verb. For example, want. What is the past tense? The past tense is wanted. Okay, we add ed because it's a regular verb. Okay, here you are, some regular verb here written on the board, because I'm going to explain you how you are going to write sentences in simple past tense, okay? For example, play, played, work, worked, walk, walked, study, studied, want, wanted. Okay, now let me to write one example using each of this verb I have written here. Okay, for example, I played soccer. I played soccer last month. All right, in this case, I'm using the right last month because I specify when happened this action. Okay, when I did this action. Okay, for that I specify using this past tense expression last month because I'm explaining when, okay, did I do this kind of action. Okay, another example of work, using the verb work. I worked at school. I worked at school yesterday. Okay, I'm using another different past tense expression, in this case yesterday, because I specify what happened this activity or what happened this action. All right, for example, I worked at school yesterday. This is another affirmative statement in simple past tense using this regular verb. Okay, and using the next one, I walked in the park. I walked in the park last night. Okay, I walked in the park last night. This is another expression. Okay, when I specify the action or activity happened right last night. Okay, one more. I studied English. I studied English last week. Okay, using another different expression, okay, last week, because I continue specifying, okay, when happened this activity. Okay, one more example using want. For example, I wanted to dance. I wanted to dance last year, for example, you know. I wanted to dance last year. Okay, you can see here I have written another past tense expression because I specify when happened this activity or when happened this action. Okay, let me to read this example for you. Okay, guys, I played soccer last month. I worked at school yesterday. I walked in the park last night. I studied English last week, or I wanted to done last year. Okay, this is the way how we form affirmative statements using some irregular verbs. Okay, in simple past tense. Okay, as you can see here, I had reading some regular verb for you identify how we form, some affirmative statement using regular verb in simple past tense. Okay, how can we make a difference about regular and irregular verb? It's easy. Okay. A regular verb at the end with ed. In the meantime, okay, a regular verb we don't add anything, okay, because they have their own Unix tense, okay, they have their own Unix form, the unit tense in past tense. So it's necessary, okay, we're gonna change or we're gonna change by another word, or we're gonna add ed like regular verbs, okay? Yeah, this is the way how we use, all right, the regular verb in simple past tense. Now let me explain you some irregular verb I'm going to write here for you makes affirmative statement in simple past tense, okay? For example, okay, guys. For example, here I have some irregular verb. Okay, I'm going to write only 3 irregular verbs for you make a difference about regular and irregular verbs. If you understand how you have to make sentences right with both verbs, okay? For example, with the verb see, it's a regular verb because it's past tense of see, it's so, okay? And another, for example, another verb is, for example, drink, okay? Drink is a regular verb because the past tense is drunk, okay? We are not going to add ed like regular verb, okay? Because it's not correct. All right, now another regular verb is, for example, think, okay? Think is another regular verb because the past tense is thought, all right? Here you are some irregular verb for you make a difference or you identify, okay, what are the difference between regular and irregular verb when you are going to change to past tense, okay? For example, see, the past tense is saw. For example, I saw a pretty woman. I saw a pretty woman last night, okay? In this example, Annie specifies about the action and activity happened right last night, okay? What did I do last night? I saw a pretty woman last night, okay? Using, all right, the past tense or the verb see and using one irregular verb, okay? One more example now using the verb drink, okay? For example, I drank some beers, okay? I drank some beers last week, all right? I drank some beer last week. In this example, I specify using last week, okay, when I did the action, okay, when happened this action, okay? I drank some beers last week, okay? This is another example in simple past tense by using one irregular verb in past tense, okay? What is the past tense of drink? Is drank. For that I had written here, drank, because this is the correct past tense of this verb, okay? The last one, I think the past tense is thought. For example, I thought in a new car. I thought in a new car last day, okay? I thought in a new car last day. I thought in a new car last day, okay? And here I'm using last day because I'm specifying when I did this action, okay? What happened this action, what happened this activity, all right? But at the same time, I'm using thought, the past tense of thing, because it's an irregular verb, okay? This is the way how we can make a difference about regular and irregular verbs, okay? Remember, regular verb only we add ed to change to past tense, but in the meantime, okay, in regular verb we are not going to add ed because they have their own unit tenses, okay? Like this example I had written here, okay? For example, see, the past tense is saw, drink, the past tense is drank, think, the past tense is thought, okay? Here you are some irregular verb. I'm not talking about this is all. No, I have to work. I have to write a lot of irregular verbs. But only in this video, okay, I can explain you how you have to make sentences around a simple past tense with some regular and irregular verb for you understand how we form any sentence already in English, okay? Let me to read this example I have written for you. I saw a pretty woman last night. I saw a pretty woman last night. In the second sentence here, I drank some beers last week. I drank some beers last week. In the last one, I thought in a new car last day. I thought in a new car last day, okay? This is the example, you know, how we can make sentences in simple past tense using a regular verb, all right? What is the difference between regular and regular verb? Okay, in regular verb, we don't ed, but in regular verb, we add ed, okay? That's the other difference. And how do we use the simple past tense? It's used to describe completing activity that happened in the past, okay? Something we had done in the past. This is the way you know how we form the simple past tense, right? Using both verb, such as regular verb or irregular verb, okay, guys? If you like this video, if you haven't understood this video, okay, very well, I want you to leave a comment or leave a like, because I'm going to prepare another different video for you. All right, I see you.